Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. On that note, welcome back to the beautiful states of California. It is January 7, I think, 7, yeah. January 7th, the only day we are ever going to have probably for this year. So we got to make the most of it, right? Obviously. And you know what? I think today is a beautiful day. And you guys already know what this video is about. You guys already know what this video is about. You guys already know. And I have a feeling some of you guys close to me already know it. We have a sports car, ladies and gentlemen. We have a sports car. We officially bought one. I didn't want to record in public about the new car, you know, at the dealership, you know, because I didn't want to make it a big deal. So I kind of want to apologize for the cameras. I haven't used them in a while. It is what it is. Yeah, we got the Corolla here. Kind of like ice all over it, and the sun just melted into it. So I guess that's that. I don't know. The fuck you looking at, bitch? I swear to God. Everybody who passes by here literally just stares at me like I'm some sort of idiot. It's so weird. It's like, stop looking at me. And they still look at me. Why am I even hiding it from you? Ladies and gentlemen, I have officially bought a Mazda Miata. Here she is, boys. Here she is, boys and girls. Here she is. That white. Oh, you can't see it. The sun is hitting it good, but I spent all night detailing the car just for this video. I'm not a big fan of white, but you know what? I think it could be better. I think we can make this car a whole lot better than it already is. It was either between this and a Civic Si. I think this car is pretty good. I think I like this car a lot. The fact that it's a soft top, I think just makes it all the more way better, dude. Like, especially on the summertime. I mean, it's not summertime right now, obviously, and I'm kind of debating whether to use it or not, the hardtop right now, but oh my God, it is a good looking car. So I've done pretty good amount of research on this car. The fact that I've been driving it, life is good, you know. Life is pretty good. So yeah, we're gonna go get some food because I didn't eat. I don't know why I fasted, but I somehow did. And then after that, we are definitely going to do a test drive, see how this car does. I think it's gonna do well. The build is still being continued with the Corolla because we have a sports car. We are going to stall it for a while, and for a while, I mean probably like a year or so. God, they're all looking at me. It's so weird. Like, I'm over here with a stupid camera and everybody's just looking at me like I'm some retard. I mean, they probably have a point, right? There we go. We have that locked in place. This is a pretty clean setup. So this engine right here is a 2-liter inline 4, making about 181 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. Still though, it is less torque than your torque wrench, I guess, from Milwaukee, but hey, it is what it is. It gets the job done. We are going to do some modifications to it. Maybe a performance cold air intake, performance cooling system. For sure, it's going to need it. Obviously, we are going to do some exhaust modification to it because you know that is how I am and that is how we are going to be. Oh, you guys probably see nothing at all, and I don't blame you guys. Here she is. All right, here's the starter, boys. Oh, it is a joy, dude. It is a joy. Oh. Woo-wee. Oh. All right, baby. Let's get to driving. Are we good? We're clear. All right, close the garage door. Is it closing? There we go. It's closing. It's closing. Oh, this is such a lovely car. So here's the thing. I got this car about a month. Yeah, I got this car a month ago. I started learning how to drive stick with it. So if there are some people who are better than me at driving a manual. I'm not the best by any chance, but I can drive. I mean, we're shifting gears, baby, so I don't know what that says. Quick little downshift. No cars. Vámonos. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people don't like the transmission because it's so short ratioed. It's like the gears are so close to each other. I have the right of way, bitch. Have you guys ever seen a Miata owner this cocky before? Let me know down in the comment section below. Woo-wee! Dude, I got a lot of people just smiling on me like this, bro. Like, damn, this car just fucking goes, dude. It just wants to go. All right, let's see what this car can do. Oh, dude, this is insane. We got a 350Z there. Yeah, dude, I don't know what to say. This car isn't bad. It could be better, but we're cruising. It's smooth as long as you're smooth, right? Of course. With that being said, it's a really nice car, bro. I think I'm gonna enjoy this with the hard top on for sure, dude. Like, I don't think a lot of people don't like Miatas, and I completely understand that. Look at that. We're just flying, dude. We're just flying. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, dude. Let's see how it takes. Let's see how it takes it. Speed limit here is 55 and we're going 70. This car is taking it 45 and we're going over 70. This car just takes it. It just does it well, bro. Damn, bruh. So yeah, we're just pretty much gonna go get some gas. Alright guys, so today I have decided that we are going to be driving top. So if we just remove this, I'm wasting time. We're gonna put it here. Yeah, I've decided that we're gonna go topless, but not in that way that you guys think. To remove the cover, all you gotta do is pull this latch, lift under, all of them go down, and then look at this shit. Ah, there we go, buddy. I feel like an idiot with a fucking camera in my face, bro. It is what it is. Go. You're good, you're good. Oh my God. We're moving, boys. Woo! Woo-hoo! Right away. Let's give it all we got. Okay. Damn, boys. Woo! Woo! Wow. Oh my God. Watch out, squirrel. I already got a kill count. Wow. Look at that. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. Oh. Oh my God. It is cold. It is fucking cold. One of these days, I'm gonna live in that mansion right there. One of these days. Oh, the seatbelt is latching up for its life. Oh my God. Oh, we're rattling, boys. Downshift. Oh my God, it handles good. Oh my God. All right, can we get to 80? Oh my God. Woo! Oh my God. Oh man. Don't hit that on me. You're a Beamer. You should drive faster.